Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we are going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm also going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features of both interior and exterior on this 430D M Sport Coupe, presented in the Estral Blue, and alongside that we've added a full bespoke YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. Included in that, you'll see there at the front the half satin black and half body colour front splitter. We've got the gloss black kidney grills. Down the side of the car you'll see we've had the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels fully refurbished in gloss black. Sitting behind them you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, that is thanks to this car being equipped with BMW's fantastic M Sport Plus package. And of course the fact that the brakes are of course also finished in blue work very nicely on any car, however especially so on this Estral Blue Coupe. Down the side we've also done the sidebars in the body colour of Estral Blue. We've got satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals, and again thanks to that M Sport Plus package we also get sun protection glazing. We've also added the M4 style mirror caps to the car. Moving on to the interior, we've got the black Dakota leather on this car, which comes with both the electric movement, memory and heated seat options, and again all in fantastic condition. You do of course also get the Harman Kardon surround sound as part of the Plus pack. We've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we will talk more about the interior options shortly when I make my way around. Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, and of course the darkened M Sport headlining, again all in very nice condition. Making our way towards the rear of the car, again showing you off those freshly refurbished 19-inch wheels. At the back we added a high gloss rear boot spoiler, and we've gone for the very nice 50/50 satin and body colour rear diffuser. And if you've not yet seen in the boot of a 4 Series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much space there is in there, alongside the fact you can split fold the seats to of course enhance that already very large area. At the other side of the car, again we can show you off that this vehicle is in fantastic condition throughout, and again the Estral Blue really does work very nicely with all of this bespoke YNC Mperformance body styling kit. Moving on inside, I'm going to run yourself through a couple of the major talking points and features. Starting with a very nice one, we've also got the power fold mirrors equipped to the car, so we simply activate that by using the button there, or of course on the key fob. Moving back over to the superb professional wide navigation and media screen we also have. So there is the satellite navigation screen. We've also got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. We've got DAB as well as a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including USB, music collection and AUX inputs. Down here we do find the dual climate controls along with our switches for these lovely front heated seats. The vehicle itself covered just over 48,000 miles, as you can see there on screen. I did mention of course it comes with that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We also have cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all on the steering wheel. And if we go down into vehicle service information and service requirements, you can see here that the next service is not due for 18,000 miles. Okay guys, so I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around video for this 430D M Sport Coupe. So of course we have carried out a full bespoke YNC Mperformance body styling kit on, and of course comes with some very nice BMW optional extras on as well. Further information can of course be obtained by checking out the link in the description, which will take you through to our website, where you can of course view funding options, prices, amongst a lot of other important information for yourselves. Thank you, take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.